Now, replicating the Chennai model, the health department in Tamil Nadu has opened up hundreds of fever clinics for early diagnosis in districts emerging as new hotspots. In rural areas, stigma has turned into a major challenge and consequently people report late. NDTV Sam Daniel sent this report from Chengalpet, emerging as the new epicenter in Tamil Nadu with more than 400 cases daily, half of Chennai's daily numbers. Sam Daniel, here, let's take a look at that report by Sam.
The Chengalpet district of Tamil Nadu, adjoining Chennai, is now emerging to be the new COVID epicenter in Tamil Nadu, besides a few other districts which also show a spike in numbers, although Chennai's numbers are coming down. And now the health department in the state has launched hundreds of fever clinics in all these emerging hotspots to help people with symptoms of fever, cold, cough or nasal congestion to come here for examination so that many of them could be tested. In fact, Tamil Nadu has around 65,000 people tested every day. Every day, how many people come here? Okay?
More than 200 we are seeing here. Every day we are seeing here more than 200.
How many get tested for COVID?
More than 150 per camp. Surely we are doing more than 150 are doing camp per camp.
And here, one doctor is actually collecting samples from a patient here. So that's the norm here.
We are having more cases in Chengalpet now. According to the district administration, we are running more camps in town panchayat, local bodies.
What is the aim?
Aim to bring the people to the camp and not going to the hospital or medical college. So we are screening in the ground level itself.
Right.
And we are finding out earlier.
In fact, this is a model which was earlier adopted big time in Chennai, and that helped to bring down the COVID numbers by more than 50%.
தெரியும் அது இப்போ எல்லாம் சொல்றாங்க அவங்க வந்து ஒரு மாதிரியா பார்க்கறாங்க என்னமோ அது என்ன சொல்ற சுருக்கமா என்ன சொல்றனா வேண்டாதவங்கள வெறுப்புல பார்க்கற மாதிரி பார்க்கறாங்க அது வியாதி வரக்கூடாது வந்துருச்சுனா பார்த்து தான் ஆகணும் அதுக்கே அவ்வளோ.
He says there is stigma among people. People look at positive patients as somebody unwanted. Stigma among local people, particularly those living in rural areas, is a major challenge. And how is that being addressed, doctor? The challenge of stigma.
The main challenge of stigma and panicness among the public has been addressed by the government by bringing out some relaxations. Previously, initially, during the start of the COVID, if a single house is been infected, means the whole street will be contained under containment areas. But the government has revised and some relaxation has been given. If it is more than 3 index cases only, we are containing the street. And also we are increasing the home isolation cases based on the housing conditions of the patient with separate individual rooms with attached toilets.
Right. Personally, what kind of precautions you take? What kind of sacrifices you doctors make?
First of all, we are sacrificing our family, sir. We will not be able to get attached with the kids. I have got 2 kids, and since March, I'm not sleeping with my kids.
Okay.
So, and first we are sacrificing our family, and we are, for that we get motivated that we are serving for the community and to the needy people.
Doctor, geographically speaking, Chengalpet is adjoining Chennai. How does this happen? From where do these people contract the virus?
So mainly from the working place. And those
they work in Chennai largely?
Working in Chennai or nearby industries, markets.
With camera person Edwin, Sam Daniel, Find the TV.